Quite a bit of deadhead to go up, but these Kew Gardens roses, these David Austin roses are throwing up new spikes, as you can see, and the spikes have got loads of buds on them, so they're really looking good. There is a lot of deadheading to do down there, you can see, but as we take them off, they seem to send up new spikes, which is really good. The other thing that we still do at this time of year, we still cut lawns. Not all the time, but every few weeks. This one we've just run over, as you can see. It's got quite a bit of weed in it, and we don't use a huge amount of weed killer on lawns. So to keep them tidy, we actually just run over them and get rid of all the spiky lawn weeds. Sometimes, which is what we've done over here, to this edge, we've just gone 2 strands down the edge. Now, if you've got a small garden with a flower bed, just do 2 bands of your mower down the side, and that will work really well. And it will soon be time, God, look at those thistles, shouldn't really be in there, to cut back all the wild areas of the garden. We're going to try and flail them this year, get them right down. You can use all sorts of cutting machines just to get it cut and to the ground. Where there's wildflowers, the seed is all forming now, and in fact will drop to the ground. If you cut it tight to the ground with a strimmer, the seed will have contact with the ground, and therefore it's pretty likely to spread some of those seed around. So there's a few of the things we've been getting up to in this lovely hot weather. How long will it last? Will it turn to rain fairly soon? What has surprised me, yes, at World Radio Gardening, is looking around gardens as we are here today. How it's gone from soaking wet in still June and into July, and we're now August into September, and we've got cracks in the ground that you wouldn't believe. More at World Radio Gardening. If you've got a problem, just send it along to post@worldradiogardening.com, and we'll see if we can come up with the answer for you.